G'day everybody, where's Wally here? Well, today I stumbled across a video by Jamie H and it's absolutely superb. Now we all know Gigantor, and often when he looks at videos of things disappearing over the ocean like ships or wind farms or curvatures or Lake Pontchartrain and those things, he complains that we're only showing the curvature in one direction.
Whatever.
Well, Mr. Pookie, let's have a closer look at this. And if you look at which way Jamie has shot this video, you can see that there's 3 observations and they cover a span of about 90 degrees. So I would say that shows curvature in 2 directions, Nick. Yeah? Like on a ball? Yeah?
Whatever.
Now, let this next scene cast upside down upon your phobias. This is some amazing looming of a small craft. So much more than the Pacific Ocean too, by the way. There's even a reference tower, shall I say, behind Floating McBoat as well. Which reminds me, I have another question for Harry et al. Now, today is roughly the equinox, September equinox in Australia, so Harry, from North Head south, you should be now seeing the sun rising over the ocean. And we're trying to work out why you can see that, because we know that Sydney is quite a way south of the Tropic of Capricorn, where the sun is directly above your head. So how can the sun be rising south of east of your position? I just showed the highlights, but Jamie H has done a fantastic job. He seems to be really good at this, so follow the link in the description below. Give him some sub love too while you watch his full video.